Hi all, welcome to the new video of Be an Expert. Today in this video I'm sharing some important Microsoft Office Word exercises. So before starting my video, I'm requesting you to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications while I'm uploading new videos into my channel. So shall we start? So in this video I just uploaded about 30 numbers of amazing Microsoft Office Word exercises. You can use these exercises either for your personal use, or if you are a computer teacher, you can use these exercises to give your students for their practice. So before winding up, let's take a look over the exercises I just uploaded. Okay, so here are the exercises I just uploaded. You can download these exercises absolutely free of cost. The download link is specified in the description part. So thank you. Bye. See you again.